Understanding and applying global and analytical learning spectrum means having a balance. You want a balance between a holistic or a big picture view and detailed analysis or getting into the nitty gritty. This is going to enhance learning and comprehension for diverse learning individuals. Recognizing the analytical and global spectrum is crucial for several reasons. Tailored instructions. Now that you understand the difference, you can really tailor your teaching methods to accommodate both types of learners. For instance, you want to be able to give detailed step by step information in a linear approach while also giving that big picture view. Enhanced collaboration. So, we want to understand the spectrum so that we can have better teamwork among students with different learning preferences. Analytical learners are going to need structure, while global learners are going to need creativity and innovation. This is going to lead to a great collaboration. Improved student outcomes. When students engage with material in a way that really aligns with their learning style, they're going to be more likely to retain the information and achieve success. This understanding promotes individualized learning strategies that resonate with each student. Empowered learners. We're going to recognize learning preferences. Now, students really get to take ownership of their own educational journal. They become lifelong learners and self directed. This self awareness enables them to seek out resources and strategies that enhance their learning experience. Let's look also at practical applications in education. This is where we want to see how we can implement the various strategies to address both the analytical and the global learners. Differentiated instruction. This is where we're going to incorporate a mixture of teaching methods that appeal to both types of learners. For example, lectures can be supplemented with visual aids, group discussions, and even hands-on activities. Collaborative projects. We want to encourage students to think in diverse groups where analytical learners can handle research and data analysis. Global learners are going to focus on creative aspects and maybe the overall presentation. Let's look at flexible assessments. Maybe you want to offer multiple assessment formats that are going to allow students to really showcase their understanding in different ways. So, an analytical learner may do better with something that's written, while a global learner is going to shine in ways that are more creative. Lastly, let's encourage some reflection. We want to really create opportunities for individuals to reflect on their learning processes. Analytical learners can analyze what strategies work best for them, while global learners can explore how different concepts connect. Understanding the analytical and the global spectrum is really essential for fostering an inclusive and effective learning environment. By recognizing and accommodating the diverse learning preferences of students, educators can enhance engagement, retention, and overall academic performance. Ultimately, embracing this spectrum is going to empower learners to thrive and equip them with skills they need to navigate through their educational journey successfully.